Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. And friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here. So friends, in our today's video, we are going to talk about the advantage of joining Capgemini as a fresher or the disadvantage of joining Capgemini as a fresher. So as a fresher, you should join Capgemini or not. What are the better option? If you're from IT or you are from non-IT, in that case, you should join Capgemini or not. So each and every minute details we are going to talk in this particular sessions. Okay, so you can see what are the points you should say yes to Capgemini. So what are the advantage you should say yes to Capgemini? Okay, and what are the points you need to keep in mind while joining Capgemini? That means what are the points you should say no to Capgemini? So definitely we will be talking in detail. So earlier of this video we have done pros and cons for TCS, Infosys, and Wipro. I mean, why should you say yes to TCS, Wipro, and Infosys? So three videos we had done earlier. The link will be given in the description, so you can go through that. Okay. Now, so friends, what is the first point you should say yes to Capgemini? So friends, there will be very good training. Okay, so the training will be for 2.5 months. So training will be done by the third party vendor, NIIT in her case. So friends, NIIT is a very good institute, though, and NIIT provides a very good uh, new technologies or the trending technologies courses and all. So the training will be done by the third party vendor. In most of the companies, the training will be done by the third party vendor itself. And definitely when you are investing money on that, so that definitely the quality which you will receive will be great. So after training, L1 exam, which is of decent severity, anyone can pass the exam if attentive during training. No out of box question, what they teach they ask from that. So friends, all the points which I have covered here, so these points are the facts which I have collected from the Capgemini employee itself. So many of our students, those who are working in Capgemini from 2-3 years, so I have collected the points from them, like what they feel and how they feel, and based on that facts I am representing all the slides, all the data in front of you. Okay, so training will be by third party vendor NIIT. And friends, after training you will have L1 exam, and the severity, that means the difficulty level, will be decent. So if anybody either from IT background or from non-IT background, if you are attentive during the training, then you will be easily able to clear the examination. So there will be no out of box question. I mean, you won't find some question which has not been taught during your training. Okay, so they will ask what they have taught to you, so you do not have to worry at all. So you will be easily able to attend the training and then clear all the examination. Okay, friends. And friends, in most of the cases, they were telling, I mean the employees of the Capgemini were telling that non-IT students will be topping the test which will happen after training, because they will be trying to learn. They will be thinking that they are not very good at softwares, not very good at trending technology, they are not very good at the new technology, so they will be putting more effort. And that is the reason they top the test, and the IT people, they will be thinking, yeah, I know this, I know that, and they will not be in the top list of the examination. Okay, so if you're from non-IT, do not worry, and if you're from IT, then you do not have to worry at all. Okay, now pre-joining and a smooth onboarding process. So friends, once you get your joining date, then so your pre-joining and the onboarding process will be very, very smooth. Maybe 1 or 2% would have find it difficult, that pre-joining and a smooth onboarding is not there, because sometimes it depends, and for 1 or 2% it happens. So please, but majority of them, the pre-joining and a smooth onboarding process. Okay, so HR will be very responsive. So if you have any kind of doubt, anything, if you wanted to know, you can get back to your HR, and HR, they have a very impulsive reply on all your queries. Okay, so they will get back to you for each and every queries of yours. Okay, meeting on a specific short intervals, so like once in 2 weeks or so, to share concerns and getting guidance. So friends, basically, Capgemini will be for freshers. So every 2 weeks, so Capgemini will be arranging a meeting, so that if you have any kind of concern, if you're not able to understand anything, if the trainer is not teaching properly, or if any kind of concern, or if any kind of guidance which you want from Capgemini, So definitely for that only they will keep the meeting and they will be looking at all your concerns or your queries. Salary. So during training, you will be getting 3 lakhs per annum, and after that you will be getting 3.8 lakhs per annum. So friends, there was a slight difference which employees faced. So during the COVID timing, so you have to keep that in mind. So there might be here and there 1 point change. So you have to keep that in mind, that all this data has been collected from the employees, those who are working from 2-3 years, from 1 year, okay, those who have joined as a fresher. So but during training you'll have a little less salary, and then after training you'll be getting 3.8 standard salary of Capgemini. Okay, now, so abundant knowledge of particular technology during trainings. Trainers are hired from outside and a lot of time invested on this training. So they are definitely going to invest a lot of timings. So on the training, so you can feel like 9 to 5. So like this training will be there 10 to 6. So properly 7 to 8 hours training will be given. And definitely when you hire someone from outside, then you make use of them, right? So Capgemini will be hiring the trainers from the outside, and these people will be investing a lot of time on these trainings. Firstly, they train you well, and in training you will undergo into various practical tests and sprints hands-on. So friends, they will not only teach you the logics or the codes, okay, so there will be also practical sessions will be there, practical tests will be there, sprints hands-on will be there. So they will make you very comfortable with coding knowledge or whatever the technology training they are giving. So you'll become more and more comfortable. Okay, now friends, you can choose your project according to your interest. It's not like they will throw you in any project. You have maximum of 3 chances of interviews where you can choose according to your interest. So this is a very good point, and this is a very important point, okay, which I wanted to mention here. Very important. See, friends, in other companies, there will be random distribution of the project. So I had, if you'll watch my previous videos of TCS, Infosys, and Wipro. So in all the companies I have told, there will be random distribution of the projects will be there. But in Capgemini, you will be getting a chance to choose a project of your skills, of your interest. Okay, so you can choose your project according to your interest. It's not like they will throw you in any project. You have maximum of 3 chances of interviews where you can choose according to your interest. So you will be given 3 chances, 3 opportunities, 3 interviews will be conducted, and based on your knowledge, based on your skills, based on your interest, you will be putting that project, which does not happen in Wipro. Okay, fine. Now friends, so we will discuss some more points. But before that, I wanted to tell you. So friends, we have launched a course, TCS Code Vita and TCS NQT 21 days live coding courses. And this course will be by Upasana ma'am, and she is SD at Flipkart. Okay, and the course is gonna start from 18th of 11 and it will end on 8th of 8th of December, and the timing will be 7 to 8 p.m. and you can watch both on PC and mobile. And the price we have kept it very nominal, as always, 200 rupees. And friends, there is a good news here, because I know there is a lot of things happening around, and people will be always distressed, and people will be always kind of angry. So we have started a channel, Fun Vlogs. Okay, so there we will be putting, like you can see, TCS and QTS spoof, remembering your ex in exam, okay, interview expectation versus reality, work from home meetings exposed. So these kind of videos, so that you can relax yourself. And definitely we will be doing more and more videos for you. So we need your support here. So please subscribe this channel. Okay, at least 1,000 people should subscribe, and then we will be coming up with more and more videos for the we will be basically roasting the companies, all this your companies like Capgemini, Wipro, TCS, Infosys. So you can see we have started doing that, and definitely it will be great. You will enjoy. At least you will feel distressed. I mean, your stress will go off, and we will teach you, and along with that you can also enjoy. So do not forget to subscribe. The link will be given in description. So your support is highly appreciated here. Okay, now we are working very hard for you, so please cooperate. So please subscribe to the channel. We will give you the link in the description. Soft skill training will be also conducted. So friends, if if you feel that your communication is not good, if you feel you cannot talk to the people, okay, if you feel that you're feeling alone in a team, so all those things, friends, soft skill training will be also given to you. So it will give you a confidence, it will boost your confidence. So that kind of training will be also conducted. Okay, provide free access to Coursera, where you can do unlimited certified training. So friends, like other companies, how Infosys has the Lex platform, Wipro gives Udemy courses. So Capgemini will be giving you Coursera access, so that you will be doing unlimited certified courses, okay, which will add a value to your profile. Okay, and you will be getting a lot of exposure in Capgemini. Generally non-IT students top the test conducted during the training. So during the training examination, so whatever exams will happen, non-IT students will be topping the test. So friends, again I will say, so keep your preference Capgemini, but if you have Cognizant and if you have Accenture, then go for that. So slowly we will be making videos on all the companies. See, we have to collect the facts, and I have to put the facts here. See, for views and all, I cannot simply make a video, right? See, I can make a video daily, morning one video, evening one video. This is an Accenture, this is on Cognizant, this is on Capgemini. But no, you might be seeing the comments of the people. So those who are working in the Capgemini, so I have seen many comments. They will tell, yes, sir, this is whatever you have explained here. So this is what we are also facing in the company, filling in the company. Okay. Now, so friends, these are the points which you need to keep in mind if you're going up for Capgemini. Okay, so friends, work pressure depends upon the project. So like Infosys, you will not have a lot of work pressure over here. Okay, so if we are put into the bigger project, then definitely more responsibility will be there. More responsibility means more learning, and more learning means more pressure. Okay, so again, so when the project is in initial stage, okay, so that kind of that point of time you'll have less pressure. Or if the project is not a big project, okay, small level project is there, small client is there, so that time you'll have less pressure. Okay, but if you have big project, then bigger exposure will be there, more responsibility will be there, more learning will be there, and more pressure will be there. Okay, so work pressure, it depends upon the project. Initial process after exam or result, letter of intent, no clarity. So friends, I have seen a lot of comments from the student, lot of queries from the student. So they will write the written examination. After that, there will be no the communication from the Capgemini. In some cases, they will be conducting the interview. After that, there will be no response from the company. Even people are sending a lot of emails, but they are telling they are not getting reply from Capgemini. Okay, so basically superset. So you will be getting the status on the superset, but there is no proper response from the Capgemini. And I have lot of emails, I have lot of texts in the Instagram and all other things, but we are not getting the proper response. Okay, so written test and interview, and then till then you do not get your results, and then letter of intent will come. Okay, so at every stage there is a delay, letter of intent, and then after letter of intent also, when you'll accept it, then also there will be too much delay in getting your joining letter and all. So friends, there will be a lot of delay, no proper reply, no proper structure is followed by the Capgemini. Okay, see, this data I have got it from the student message, from the student. You can only see on the comment section of all the videos. So sir, I wrote this Capgemini exam on this date. So they, at least companies should respond to them. You are selected, you are rejected, you can you should not wait, you should. So these are the things which definitely is not clear from the Capgemini side. Okay, now change of project is not easy. So change of project is not easy. Once according to your choice, at 3 choice will be given, 3 interview choice will be given. After that also, if you do not get that kind of project, then you will be only getting an opportunity after 1 year or so. Okay, then only your change of project will happen. So this is all about Capgemini, friends. The positive points, the negative points, everything I have put in front of you. Now it's your decision, it's your choice. So if you have Cognizant, if you have Accenture, then please go for it. Okay, because Cognizant and Accenture, I cannot make any no points. Okay, because Cognizant and Accenture, so they will be very responsive. So your exam, your results, your letter of intent, everything will be on time. Okay, and there are a lot of flexibilities are there, a lot of learnings are there. So if you have any opportunities, Cognizant, Accenture, then I will suggest you to go for that. And if you are suppose if you have got Capgemini, okay, and then you are, but you are still waiting for your letter of intent, or as I said, there will be a lot of delay. So if you have any other companies, you can go for that, because Capgemini process will be quite delayed. Okay, so this again, I'm saying you this, I'm telling from the student data. Okay, so these are the facts which we have collected from the employees and from the student Okay, those who are struggling, so I will say you should definitely go for Capgemini. It's a very wonderful company, and even we had seen the pros and cons. So friends, I'm telling you again, if you'll not subscribe this channel, then definitely I will not make the next video for you. Okay, so let me know in the comments which company you want me to do a video in my next video actually, and do not forget to subscribe, so at least make the count 1000, and then I will get motivated and more videos. You just have the look at the videos, and more videos we will be making it. So thank you friends, take care, and all the best. Do not worry, everybody will get selected. We are really working very hard for you guys, man. And we are also bringing out more and more companies who is hiring, and more information who is hiring. So please take care, and you will definitely get selected. So